Hey guys, welcome to the Craft Pouch. Today let's make our hands dirty by making different DIY crafts that we can do using clay. So without any delay, let's get into the video. I have ordered this air dry clay from Amazon for $10. It's a 2.2 lb packet which is approximately 1 kg. So this air dry clay doesn't need any special instructions. You just need to leave it outside for 24 hours to dry it. Let's start with the first DIY, clay jewelry bowl. Take some clay, make it into a ball and then press it with any circular object like this. Take any circular bowl, press it onto the clay and remove the excess. Here I am mixing clay with water to get a paste-like texture, and using an old brush I am smoothing the edges of this ball impression. Take any lace or textured paper as a stamp and press it on the clay. Now place any plastic sheet in the bowl and place this circular clay into it. Press the bottom part so that we can have a perfect base. I want the edge to be curvy, so I left it as it is. Leave this aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the clay is totally dried and is so strong. I am taking a sanding stone and rubbing on the corners to remove the sharp edges. Take any color and paint it inside of the ball. I am choosing a grey color. I am leaving the outer part as it is. Once everything is grey, I am taking a metallic gold color and painting it around the edges of the ball and as well as the designed area. Last step here is to apply a layer of Mod Podge to seal everything in place. Our pretty jewelry bowl is ready. It's so easy and everyone can do it. To make a wall hanging, firstly I have drawn a picture of the wall hanging with the shapes I want. I want 2 rectangles, 1 circle, 1 triangle and 2 semicircles. Take some clay and press it flat using a cylindrical object. Now take any size circular object and press it on the clay. I have taken a lid of a container of size 10 cm diameter. Remove the excess clay. Smoothen the edges and the surface with the clay water paste that we have already created. Using a straw, make holes on the 2 sides of the circle like this. Similarly, make another circle of the same size. But this time, I am cutting it into 2 halves. Cut 2 rectangles of the size 10 cm by 7 cm. Smoothen the edges and the surface of the rectangles like this. Using straw, punch 2 holes onto the rectangles. Lastly, make a triangle of base 8 cm and height 9 cm. This time, punch 3 holes for the base and 1 on the top. Let these shapes dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, take a sandpaper and smoothen the edges of all the shapes like this. This sanding step is important to avoid the rough edges. I have added a layer of white color on top of all the shapes. Now I am using a masking tape as a border and coloring all these clay shapes with metallic gold color. I am keeping white as it is on the other side of the masking tape. It took like 3 to 4 coats of color to make them bright. Now after coloring these, remove the masking tips and apply a layer of Mod Podge to seal the colors to get a glossy finish. Take a yarn and tie all the clay shapes to one another like this. Make 3 tassels using the yarn. Tie these tassels onto the triangle. I have also added some beads to this. Tie a yarn on top of the circle to hang this to the wall. I know it's a big process, but by the end you are going to love it. I love the way it turned out, it's so beautiful. For the third DIY, I am going to make a pencil topper. I took some inspiration from the doggy faced chip bag glue that I already have. Firstly, take some clay and make it into a ball. Press this ball slightly. Now make another small ball and cut it into half. These 2 halves acts like 2 ears of the dog. Paste these ears to the first ball. Now make a hole into it using the pencil like this. Let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I have painted it with white color first and then went with brown. Wait until it is dry and using a pencil, I have marked the ears, mouth and eyes. I took some white paint and painted the ears and nose and mouth parts. Once it is dried, I have drawn an outline of mouth using pencil. I have colored eyes and mouth with black paint and permanent marker. Give it a few last touches and hooray! Pencil topper is ready. Its face is so cute. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to click the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever a video is uploaded. See you in next video. Bye bye.